Vague idea, unveiled. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in the English language, vague idea. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means, but also how and when to use it. So, let's get started. Vague is an adjective that describes something unclear, not well defined, or lacking precision. Imagine trying to see an object in a misty or foggy environment. It's there, but not quite clear. That's vague for you. Idea, on the other hand, is a noun referring to a thought, concept, or belief. It can be a mental image you form or a suggestion about a possible course of action. When combined, vague idea implies having a rough or imprecise understanding of something. You kind of know it, but not in detail. 1. I have a vague idea of where the museum is, but we should still use a map. 2. Do you know how this machine works? 3. Well, I have a vague idea, but I'd need the manual to be sure. 4. She had only a vague idea about the novel's plot because she skimmed through the pages. Notice how in each instance, the person has some understanding, but it's not complete or precise. Knowing synonyms, words with similar meanings, can help you enrich your language skills. For vague idea, some synonyms are rough idea, general idea, basic understanding, hazy notion. Remember, context is key. While these synonyms might have slightly different nuances, they can often be used interchangeably with vague idea. And there we have it. Now, you not only have a clear understanding of what vague idea means, but you also know how to use it in different contexts and are familiar with some related terms. I hope you found this explainer useful. Keep practicing, and soon these phrases will be second nature to you. Until next time, happy learning!